Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to zoom pictures in Canva. First, you need to open Canva. You can either go with Canva application or website. I'm going on with website. So open any web browser on your PC, go to your search bar, then type in www.canva.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Canva. Now make sure that you are logged in to your account. So click on create a design option present on left. Then select a design. I'm going on with presentation. After you do so, now here you can insert pictures in Canva. For this, you can go on uploads option present on the left panel. Then you can click on upload files and upload your pictures. I already have a picture on my file. So I'm going to click on the picture that I have. With this, a picture will be added on my Canva. After you upload the picture, you need to go to your emails. Then you can go on the corners of the emails. Then here you can see the arrow. You can drag the arrow to enlarge the picture. You can pull the edges so that you can enlarge the picture. Similarly, you can move the picture. For this, double click on the image. Then you can drag the image wherever you want. You can continue this process till you want so that you can zoom in the picture. Here you can see my image has been zoomed in. This is how we can zoom pictures in Canva. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.